All right, here's a quick tutorial on how to graph in WebAssign. So let's say you have 2 points. For this example, I have 1.0, 4, and then I have another point right here, 4, -5. Once your 2 points are labeled, okay, and even if you accidentally put the wrong one, you can type into here the correct points, okay? You're going to go over to here, and you're going to click on what type of function do you want. Do you want a linear function, a circle, or a parabola? For this problem, we want a linear function. And because linear functions are completely continuous, we want to click on the one that has vectors going both ways, okay, continuously. After you click that, you click on 1 point, 2 point, and then it graphs.